Hey guys! Today I'm super excited to talk about something close to my heart. Sustainable gardening with plastic recyclable plant pots. Alright, so what's a buzz? So this is a plastic recyclable plant pot. Yup, we're turning trash into treasure. Cool, right? First things first, this pot is a synthetic material made from polymers. It is a recycled plastic, giving a second life to those containers we toss away. Now, what is it for? Well, they're not just containers. They're like superheroes for our plants. It is perfect for our gardening adventures and for making our planet a bit greener. But it's important to note that while these properties make plastic useful, improper disposal may lead to environmental concerns, such as pollution and long-term degradation. So let's be mindful when we're done with these pots, okay? Proper disposal is the key to ensure that they get recycled properly. So until next time, keep it eco-friendly and stay awesome. Recyclable plant. Alright,